Each user logged into S.M.A.R.T is required to set up their device preferences. To do this, first log into S.M.A.R.T. Then, proceed to Settings. Select Device Preferences. In this section, you have the option to select the printers, scales, and mailing system if you are a mailing user. To set up the printers and scales, start on the left side to set up the printer. Remember, in order to see the devices or the peripherals attached to S.M.A.R.T, you must be logged into Device Manager. If you're not sure if you're logged into Device Manager, double-click the double arrows on the top right, which should be white. From here, you can select your printer. These are Windows printers loaded in Windows. In order for the Device Manager to see this, the printers must be loaded in Windows. If the Device Manager is connected, you should be able to select the printer from here. Then, select the printer type and format. This is the type of label that is being used on your printer. There are options to choose from depending on what label is being used. Next, you have an option to select scales. For this example, there are two scales attached. There is a Network Alito scale, which has a BCA- serial number in front of it, or a MN, which usually is a base. Under Forms, this is your printer that is going to print your customs forms when you do international mailing. When you do international mailing, you need to print your customs forms. This is typically printed directly to a report printer, but it depends on what Windows printers you have installed on the Device Manager. You can select the printer from the list. In this example, we will select the laser printer. For printer type, select whether the printer is a standard or thermal printer. Next, under Reports, this is the printer that S.M.A.R.T is going to use to print reports. You can select again a Windows printer of your preference. In this example, I will select a laser printer. Then, you must set the type of printer, which is again either a standard or thermal printer. Last, save the configuration. Once the configuration is saved, the user's device preferences will automatically be applied each time they log in to S.M.A.R.T with their credentials.